Hi everybody, Alan from AWAlarms again here today. We are looking at a little C-tec XFP addressable control panel. Thought it might be a good idea to run through and show a few people how to do a weekly test. I hope this is of some help.
Hi everybody, so this is the C-tec XFP addressable control panel. Not too bad panels, not my favourite to work on, but they're not too bad. To log in, you press the menu button, press the right hand arrow key to select level 2, enter your access code with the down arrow, which is normally 3333, and as you do it, you'll see you get the little asterisks appear on the screen. Just like that. So now that has enabled the controls, which we'll need for the weekly test. So we've seen these break glasses before, it's the KAC style. You put the key in the bottom to activate it. That's the weekly test pretty much complete. Now, not that I've done here, but press the escape button a couple of times to exit the menus and write in your logbook. Hope it helps.